In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping. To begin, go to the CJ Dropshipping catalog and search for a product you want to sell. Use the search bar and filters to narrow things down so you can find an item that matches your store niche and is available to ship to your target customers. Take a moment to look at the product photos, the description, and the variants because what you choose here is what you will be working with inside Shopify. Once you find a product you like, click directly on the product to open the full details page. This is where you can review important information like variant options, shipping availability, and any processing details. It is a good idea to check that the product has clear images and a description that makes sense for your audience, since you may use parts of this content when the product is imported. When you are ready, click the List button. This is the option that starts the process of sending the product from CJ into your Shopify store. After you click List, you will need to set the store by selecting your Shopify store from the available options. Make sure you choose the correct store if you manage more than one, because the product will be imported to the store you select. Next, choose your shipping method. This matters because shipping speed and cost can affect conversions and customer satisfaction. Select the method that fits your business goals and the expectations you set in your store policies. If you plan to advertise a certain delivery time frame, pick a method that supports that. After that, set your price for each variant. This is where you build in your profit margin. Price each option carefully, considering product cost, shipping cost, fees, and the amount of profit you want to earn. If the product has multiple variants, confirm that every variant has a price you are comfortable with. Finally, click List It Now to import the product to your Shopify store. Give it a moment to sync, and your product will be added to Shopify so you can review it and prepare it for sale. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.